Your Schlage Encode smart lock might be unresponsive due to several reasons: dead batteries, Wi-Fi connectivity issues, software glitches, or physical obstructions. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the problem efficiently. First, check the batteries. The Schlage Encode uses four 1.5 volts AA alkaline batteries that last up to 1 year normally, though heavy Wi-Fi use can reduce this to 2 or 3 months. If batteries are low, replace them with fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. Indicators appear in the Schlage Home app and on the keypad. Remove the interior cover to access the battery compartment. Next, ensure the deadbolt moves freely. Check for physical obstructions in the door frame, such as damaged wood around the strike plate that could prevent proper engagement. The Schlage Encode smart lock requires a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to function properly. First, confirm that your router is broadcasting on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. The Schlage Encode does not support 5 GHz connections. The lock should be within 30 feet of your router or a Wi-Fi extender for optimal signal strength. Access your router's settings through your device's network interface to verify the 2.4 GHz band is active. If the connection remains unstable, restart your router to refresh the network. Other wireless devices like microwaves or cordless phones can interfere with the 2.4 GHz signal. Position the lock away from such devices. These steps should resolve most Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Schlage Encode lock. A soft reset can resolve minor software glitches without deleting your settings. Open the Schlage Home app, navigate to your lock settings, and look for the Soft Reset option. This feature, introduced in the late 2025 firmware update, version 10.2.1, restarts the lock software without clearing user codes or Wi-Fi information. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, perform a hard reset to restore the lock to factory defaults. Locate the Schlage button on the interior side of the lock. Press and hold the button for 7 to 10 seconds. Wait until the keypad flashes red, indicating the reset is complete. This will erase all user codes and Wi-Fi settings. You'll need to repair the lock through the Schlage Home app to set it up again. Outdated firmware can cause performance issues and security vulnerabilities. Regularly check for firmware updates in the Schlage Home app. Ensure your lock is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi during the update process. Firmware updates often include bug fixes and improvements to connectivity and battery life. Schlage is moving towards predictive maintenance features that use device data to predict potential issues before they happen. AI-assisted diagnostics in future updates will analyze patterns to alert users to problems early, making troubleshooting more efficient. Expect app updates to include features that notify you of potential lock issues proactively. Always keep your Schlage app updated to access these improvements and minimize the need for manual fixes.